Kung pupunta kayo ng Leyte, don't miss out na dumaan dito. Tara, yung mga kanus, alam niyo ba nalaman ko? As a continuation of our stay sa Ironwood Hotel, dito kami nag-dinner sa Lift Lounge, which is yung in-house restaurant nila na nagsiserve ng Southeast Asian-inspired cuisine. O ha? Southeast, so you mean Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, Vietnam, Indonesia at iba pa. Pagpasok mo pa lang, you will receive a warm welcome and makapansin mo ang efficient hospitality service nila. Sa rooftop ng hotel siya located, kaya maganda ang view na makikita mo dito. And look at the interior! Something sophisticated, modern interior na may laid back and late night vibes. And amazing pa dito is pagdating ng 9 PM from medyo warm lights, nagpapalit sila ng mood into dim lights and same as well with their music. Kaya mas intimate yung vibes. And sinabi ko na sa inyo, masarap ang food dito. Parang in par talaga sa mga sikat na resto sa Maynila dahil sa quality and taste nito. We tried Pad Thai na isa sa pinakamasarap na natikman ko na Pad Thai. Consistency ng texture at lasa is on point and balance din ang taste. Chiang Mai naman is steamed shrimp and pork fat dumpling, ang peg na sinamahan ng crispy sides. Sisig modified is yung sisig nila na with a twist na ginawang bite size. And BKK is chicken Thai na nirap together with curry condiments. Grabe, mga tampuluts pa lang to pero solid na agad. For their cocktails, kung papanoodin nyo yung skilled bartender nila, mamamangha ka talaga sa art ng preparation and presentation nila. We tried their Ceylon Country na something matapang na ganito ang itsura at pagkaka-prepare at late night GNT for something na light sa gustuhan ng pinsan ko. If you're planning to go here, nasa Waze up lang ang Ironwood Hotel at open sila from 6 PM to 12 midnight. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Plan your gala ahead and let's go!